Good morning, students. I am Samatha, lecturer in chemistry, GDC Women Hussaini Alam. Okay, students, today we will discuss about organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds means the compound that contain a carbon metal bond. In this chapter, the organometallic compounds of magnesium, lithium, and copper are very important, and also preparation of some organometallic compounds and applications of organometallic compounds, how they can used in organosynthesis. Let us start. Organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds means the compounds in which a metal atom is directly bonded to carbon of a hydrocarbon. Organometallic compounds means the metal atom directly bond with a carbon of hydrocarbon. Example, CH3Li, methyl lithium. Here hydrocarbon group is CH3 group, methyl group. This methyl group carbon is directly bind with metal. Here metal is the lithium. So this compound comes under organometallic compound, methyl lithium. Next example is ethyl lithium, C2H5Li. Here C2H5 ethyl group is the hydrocarbon group. Here carbon is directly bind with the metal lithium, so it is also comes under organometallic compound. Next example is C6H5Li, phenyl lithium. Here aromatic carbon is present. C6H5 means phenyl group, benzene ring. Here also carbon directly bind with the lithium and form phenyl lithium. Next one is C2H5MgBr, ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide, and it is also called as a Grignard reagent. This is also one of the organometallic compound. Next is preparation of some organometallic compounds. Preparation here. Okay, here RX is there. RX means alkyl halide. Alkyl halide directly react with 2 moles of lithium and form RLI. RLI means alkyl lithium. This alkyl lithium is a organometallic compound and byproduct is a lithium halide. Next is methyl iodide, CH3I, methyl iodide. This is also alkyl halide. Alkyl halide react with metal. Here metal is the lithium. Alkyl halide react with 2 moles of lithium and give methyl lithium, CH3Li. Methyl lithium is a organometallic compound. Byproduct is the lithium iodide. Okay, this is the one type of preparation method, direct reaction between the alkyl halides and metals. Alkyl halides react with metals and form organometallic compounds. Here halogen is replaced by the metal atom. Next one is metal halogen exchange. Next method, metal halogen exchange method. Here C6H5Br phenyl bromide react with C4H9Li butyl lithium. Phenyl bromide react with butyl lithium and give phenyl lithium, C6H5Li phenyl lithium and butyl bromide. Here phenyl lithium is a organometallic compound. Here exchange of bromine lithium is occurs. Next is pyridine, 2-bromo pyridine. react with methyl lithium and give pyridine to lithium plus methyl bromide. Okay, here this compound is organometallic compound. Pyridine to lithium, this is the organometallic compound. This is about preparation of OMCs. First one is a direct reaction between the alkyl halides and metals. Second one is the metal halogen exchange method. Next is applications of OMCs, applications of organometallic compounds. In this, preparation of alcohols is there. Preparation of alcohols by using of OMCs, by using of organometallic compounds, we can prepare primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. When the formaldehyde is react with organometallic compounds, it will give primary alcohol. For example, formaldehyde react with methyl lithium, it will give ethyl alcohol. Okay, here HC double bond OH formaldehyde react with CH3Li methyl lithium, and here one of the unstable transition state is there. On hydrolysis it will give ethyl alcohol. Here H2O or HOH. First, formaldehyde react with methyl lithium. Here formaldehyde react with organometallic compound that is CH3Li methyl lithium. Generally organometallic compounds act as a carbene ions. So here shows a negative charge on CH3. This negative charged methyl group bind with carbonyl carbon, automatically pi bond shifted to oxygen. Then oxygen get negative charge, so lithium bind with oxygen. This is the transition state, unstable transition state. On hydrolysis, this transition state will convert it to ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH. Formaldehyde react with organometallic compound followed by hydrolysis to give ethyl alcohol or primary alcohol. Next is aldehyde reaction. Except formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes are react with organometallic compounds to give secondary alcohols. Only formaldehyde will give primary alcohols. Except formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes will give secondary alcohols. Here aldehyde is CH3C double bond OH. CH3C double bond OH. Name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde react with methyl lithium. Here methyl lithium is the OMC, organometallic compound, and form one transition state CH3CH3. Here oxygen bond with lithium. This is the transition state. On hydrolysis it will give secondary alcohol. The name of this secondary alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. Okay, when formaldehyde react with organometallic compound, it will give primary alcohol. Except formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes react with organometallic compound to give secondary alcohols. Next is ketones. When the ketones are react with organometallic compound, it will give tertiary alcohols. Here example ketone is CH3C double bond O CH3. This is acetone. Name is acetone. Acetone react with organometallic compound, that is methyl lithium. One transition state is formed. On hydrolysis, it will give tertiary alcohol. Okay, when the ketones react with organometallic compound followed by hydrolysis to give tertiary alcohols. Acetone react with methyl lithium. On hydrolysis, it will give tertiary alcohol. Here tertiary alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol. Next is organometallic reagents. Means here some of the organometallic compounds are act as a reagents. Most important reagent is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent was discovered by Victor Grignard in 1900. For that he got a Nobel Prize in 1912. Victor Grignard is a scientist who discovered Grignard reagent. For that experiment or for that research, he got a Nobel Prize in 1912. He discovered Grignard reagent in 1900. Okay, here Grignard reagent is there. Grignard reagent is an organomagnesium compound. Organomagnesium compound or organomagnesium halides is called as a Grignard reagent. Here some preparation methods are there. Prepared by addition of an alkyl aryl or alkenyl halide to magnesium metal in diethyl ether or THF, tetrahydrofuran. Okay, here one preparation method, 1-bromobutane. When 1-bromobutane react with magnesium in presence of ether, and it will give butyl magnesium bromide. Butyl magnesium bromide. This is the alkyl Grignard reagent. Means alkyl magnesium halide. Here butyl group is the alkyl group, magnesium, and bromine is the halogen, alkyl magnesium halide. When the 1-bromobutane react with magnesium in presence of diethyl ether and give butyl magnesium bromide, this is the Grignard reagent, alkyl Grignard reagent. Next is bromobenzene. When the bromobenzene react with magnesium in presence of ether, and it will give phenyl magnesium bromide. This is comes under aryl Grignard reagent. Means here aryl magnesium halide. Aryl group is the phenyl group, halogen is the Br. Aryl magnesium halide, and it is also called as aryl Grignard reagent. Okay, two methods we discussed. One is preparation of alkyl Grignard reagent and another one is aryl Grignard reagent. Just simple preparation method. Directly alkyl halide or aryl halide react with magnesium metal in presence of diethyl ether, and it will give Grignard reagent. Grignard and organolithium reagents. Here given the difference in electronegativity between carbon and magnesium or lithium. Here metal is whatever it may be, magnesium or lithium, the carbon magnesium bond is polar covalent, means here carbon shows a positively negative charge and magnesium shows positively partially positive charge. In carbon magnesium bond, carbon shows partially negative charge, magnesium shows partially positive charge, means here alkyl group or aryl group act as a carbene ion. Carbene ion means the carbon with negative charge or pair of electrons, unshared pair of electrons, those are called as a carbene ions. In organometallic compounds or in Grignard reagent, alkyl or aryl carbons shows carbene ion property, means it shows partially negative charge. Grignard reagents react productively with, means it is also applications of Grignard reagent. First, formaldehyde. When formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it will give primary alcohols. Aldehydes to give secondary alcohols. Ketones give tertiary alcohols. Esters also give tertiary alcohols. Epoxides also give primary alcohols. Carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide react with Grignard reagent, it will give acids, means carboxylic acids. Applications. First application is preparation of primary alcohol. Here, when the formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give primary alcohol. Here it is the formaldehyde HC double bond O H react with Grignard reagent. Here Grignard reagent is CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, and give one transition state. Next, hydrolysis. By hydrolysis, this transition state will give alcohol. Here primary alcohol is formed. Formaldehyde react with methyl magnesium bromide. Here methyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent. So here alkyl group act as a carbene ion, means negative charge. This negative charge is bind with carbonyl carbon. Automatically pi bond shifted to oxygen. Oxygen get negative charge. So this MgBr group is bind with oxygen. Downside CH3 group is attached to the carbon. So this here carbon, here MgBr is attached. This is the transition state. On hydrolysis, this transition state will give primary alcohol. Here primary alcohol is CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. Here primary alcohol is a ethyl alcohol. Next is aldehydes reaction. Aldehydes react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give secondary alcohols. Aldehydes react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give secondary alcohols. Here aldehyde is this one, CH3 C double bond O H, name is acetaldehyde. CH3 C double bond O H, name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde, react with Grignard reagent, that is CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, and form when transition state. Here also same, this Grignard reagent carbon is shows partially negative charge, so this methyl group bind with carboxylic carbon, pi bond shifted to oxygen and form this transition state. On hydrolysis, this transition state converted to alcohol. Okay, here alcohol is the secondary alcohol and it is also called as isopropyl alcohol. CH3, CHOH, downside also CH3. Secondary alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Next, ketones. Ketones react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give tertiary alcohols. Okay, here this is the ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3 ketone. Name of this ketone is acetone. React with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent and form when transition state. On hydrolysis, this transition state will give tertiary alcohol. Here also see ketone. This is Grignard reagent. This methyl group shows negative charge. So methyl group bind with carbonyl carbon, pi bond shifted to oxygen and form this type of transition state. On hydrolysis, this transition state will give tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, when a formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it will give primary alcohol. Aldehydes react with Grignard reagent, it will give secondary alcohol. Ketones, when the ketones are react with Grignard reagent, will give tertiary alcohols. Here primary alcohol means the hydroxy functional group, means here alcoholic functional group is directly attached to the primary carbon, that's why this is called as primary alcohol. And here also the hydroxy functional group means alcoholic functional group is directly attached to secondary carbon, that's why it is called as a secondary alcohol. And here also the hydroxy functional group is directly attached to the tertiary carbon, that's why it is called as a tertiary alcohol. Next, Grignard reagents with esters, means the reaction between the Grignard reagent and esters. Okay, here RMGX. RMGX is a Grignard reagent. React with ester RC double bond O OCH3. This is the ester in presence of diethyl ether and it will give one transition state. Okay, here species formed is unstable and dissociates under the reaction condition to form a ketone. Okay, same here Grignard reagent react with ester in presence of diethyl ether and form one reaction intermediate. This is the unstable and dissociates into ketone. Okay, here Grignard reagent, this one is ester, reaction in presence of diethyl ether and form one transition state. On hydrolysis it will give ketone. RC double bond O, or this one is the ketone. Again this ketone react with Grignard reagent and give tertiary alcohols. Okay, formaldehyde to give primary alcohol, aldehyde to give secondary alcohol, ketones to give tertiary alcohols, esters also give tertiary alcohols. First esters react with Grignard reagent and form one transition state. After that transition state converted to ketone, then that ketone react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, it will give tertiary alcohols. Next, carbon dioxide react with Grignard reagent and give carboxylic acids. Epoxides to give primary alcohols. When the epoxides are react with Grignard reagent to give epoxides. These all are the applications of Grignard reagent. Here one example reaction is there. 2 moles of methyl magnesium bromide. Here methyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent. React with one ester. This one is the ester. In presence of diethyl ether on hydrolysis, it will give alcohol. Two of the groups attached to the tertiary carbon come from the Grignard reagent. Okay, this is the one of the example reaction of Grignard reagent with esters. Okay students, these are the today topics. Once again we will discuss briefly. Organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds means the compounds which contain direct bond between the carbon and metal are called as organometallic compounds. Examples: methyl lithium, ethyl lithium, phenyl lithium, methyl magnesium bromide, ethyl magnesium bromide, etc. The compounds which contain direct bond between the metal and hydrocarbon, carbon of the hydrocarbon, is called as a organometallic compounds. Preparation of organometallic compounds, we discussed two preparation methods. First one is the direct reaction between the alkyl halides and metal, and second one is the exchange of metal halogen, exchange between the metal and halogen. First is alkyl halides direct react with lithium metal and give alkyl lithium. Alkyl lithium is a organometallic compound, and exchange between the metal and halogen. Two examples we are discussed, that is phenyl bromide plus butyl lithium and give phenyl lithium and butyl bromide. Okay, here we observed exchange between the bromine and lithium metal, exchange between the metal and halogen. Next is pyridine. 2-bromopyridine react with methyl lithium and give pyridine to 2 lithium and methyl bromide. Some of the applications we discussed. First one is a preparation of alcohols. When the formaldehyde react with alkyl lithium, it will give ethyl alcohol. Formaldehyde react with alkyl lithium, one transition state is formed on hydrolysis. It will give primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Next is aldehydes. When aldehydes react with alkyl lithium, it will give secondary alcohols. Here aldehyde is a acetaldehyde, CH3 double bond OH. Acetaldehyde react with alkyl lithium, CH3Li, and form one transition state. This transition state undergo hydrolysis, it will give secondary alcohol. Here secondary alcohol is the isopropyl alcohol. Next is ketones. Ketones react with alkyl lithium and give tertiary alcohols. Ketone is a CH3 double bond O CH3. This is acetone. Acetone react with methyl lithium or alkyl lithium and form one transition state. The transition state is unstable transition state. On hydrolysis, this transition state will give tertiary alcohol. Here tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. When the acetone is reactive with methyl lithium, on hydrolysis it will give tertiary butyl alcohol. Next is organometallic reagents. One of the most important organometallic reagent is Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is discovered by Victor Grignard in 1900 and he awarded with Nobel Prize in 1912 for these experiments. Grignard reagents are the organomagnesium compounds. Organomagnesium compounds are called as a Grignard reagents. Here preparation methods of Grignard reagents is the addition of an alkyl aryl or alkenyl halide to magnesium metal in presence of diethyl ether or THF. Here first reaction is 1-bromobutane react with magnesium in presence of diethyl ether and it will give butyl magnesium bromide. This is the alkyl Grignard reagent. Second one is bromobenzene. Bromobenzene react with magnesium in presence of diethyl ether and it will give phenyl magnesium bromide. It is the aryl Grignard reagent. Means here butyl group is the alkyl group, so it is called as alkyl Grignard reagent. Here phenyl group, benzene ring is phenyl group. This phenyl group is the aryl group, so it is called as aryl magnesium halide. Grignard reagent and organolithium reagents. Here in this Grignard reagents or organometallic compounds, the carbon metal bond is polar bond. Means here carbon shows partially negative charge and metal shows partially positive charge. In Grignard reagents also same. The bond between carbon and metal is polar bond. So these compounds are act as a carbene ions. Carbene ions means the carbon with negative charge is called as a carbene ion. Carbene ion. Organometallic compounds and Grignard reagents shows as a carbene ion nature. And applications of Grignard reagents. Some of the applications we have discussed. First, when the Grignard reagents or react with formaldehyde will give primary alcohols. When These react with aldehydes to give secondary alcohols. When the Grignard reagents react with ketones to give tertiary alcohols. When Grignard reagents are react with CO2 carbon dioxide to give carboxylic acids. When Grignard reagents are react with epoxides to give primary alcohols. Some of the reactions we have discussed. One is when formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give primary alcohol. HCl1OH, this is formaldehyde, react with methyl magnesium bromide. Here methyl magnesium bromide is Grignard reagent, and form when transition state, that is unstable transition state. On hydrolysis, this unstable transition state will give primary alcohol. Here what is the concept? When the formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, it will give primary alcohols. Aldehydes. When the Grignard reagents are react with aldehydes except formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis will give secondary alcohols. Here aldehyde is the acetaldehyde, CH3C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde react with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr Grignard reagent and form when transition state. On hydrolysis, this transition state will give secondary alcohol. Okay students, except formaldehyde, remaining all aldehydes react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give secondary alcohols. Example reaction is acetaldehyde react with methyl magnesium bromide, on hydrolysis give secondary alcohols. Next reaction, when ketones react with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give tertiary alcohols. Acetone react with methyl magnesium bromide CH3MgBr. One transition state is formed on hydrolysis. This transition state will give tertiary alcohols. Here acetone react with methyl magnesium bromide. On hydrolysis it will give tertiary butyl alcohol. Next, Grignard reagents react with esters. Grignard reagent, here RMgX is the Grignard reagent, react with ester RC double bond O OCH3 COO CH3. This is the ester group. Grignard reagent react with ester in presence of diethyl ether. Here also one transition state is formed. This transition state is unstable and dissociates under the reaction condition to give ketones. These ketones on hydrolysis will give tertiary alcohols. This is the reaction between Grignard reagent and esters. RMgX, Grignard reagent, react with RCOOCH3 ester in presence of diethyl ether and form one transition state on hydrolysis. This transition state is dissociates into ketone. This ketone on hydrolysis it will give tertiary alcohol. This is the reaction. Next example reaction is there. Methyl magnesium bromide react with CH3 taken twice, CHCOO, CH3. This is one of the ester methyl magnesium bromide. 2 moles of methyl magnesium bromide react with ester in presence of diethyl ether followed by hydrolysis, and it will give tertiary alcohol. Okay, here two of the groups attached to the tertiary carbon come from the Grignard reagent. Okay, here downside CH3 group is there na? This methyl group is come from the Grignard reagent. So here tertiary alcohol is formed. Okay students, this is about today's session. Organometallic compounds. We have discussed what are organometallic compounds and some of the examples, preparation methods of organometallic compounds, applications of organometallic compounds, and organometallic reagents. One of the most organometallic reagent is Grignard reagent. It is very useful in organic synthesis. uh, Grignard reagent and preparations of Grignard reagent and applications of Grignard reagents. These topics today we have discussed. Okay students, hope you understood. Thank you.